Hi everyone, Hari Om. Welcome to the episode 3 of the home workout series, and I'm just super happy that you are here with me. I'm grateful. Good morning to all of you, and I hope the energy is high. If it is not, then after the practice it will be. So in today's practice we are focusing on our core and our legs. So the core and the legs. All right, and we will need a resistance band like this. Okay, if you do not have the band, then no worries, you just do the practice without the band. All right, but if you have the band, you use the band. That's all for the practice today. Just one band or not, your choice. The band just makes the practice more difficult. That's it. All right, so we will start by warming up the body. You keep this strap to the side of you. Alright, let's start by warming up the body. Let's breathe first. Practice without the breath, it's nothing. It's nothing. So we have to breathe. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale again. Exhale out. Through the nose this time. Inhale again. Exhale through the nose. Take the tummy out, everyone, when you inhale. Place one hand on the tummy. Feel the tummy coming out. Exhale through the nose. All right, relax and open the eyes. Wonderful. Let's be back. To the back end of the mat. We will walk forward, everyone. Walk forward, walk forward, walk forward. Come in a good plank position. Do not drop the hips. Engage through your core. Do not go back. Stay on the tips of the toes. Exhale, walk back, walk back, walk back. Give me a good forward fold position and then all the way stand up straight. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, walk forward. Big steps. Breathe in. Exhale, walk back, walk back, walk back. Forward fold and then come back again. We do 2 more rounds. Inhale, walk forward. Breathe. Exhale, walk back, walk back, walk back. Fold forward. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, last round. Walk forward. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, walk back. Stay in the forward folding position. Stay in the forward folding position for 3, for 2, for 1. All the way stand up straight. Come forward. Hands go forward, roll the wrist. Roll the wrist. Reverse rotation. Reverse rotations. Very nice. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, fold forward, hands go back. Inhale, open. Exhale, back. Inhale, open. 2 more rounds. Exhale, back. Last one. And back. And then come back to the center. Roll the shoulders front to back. Roll the shoulders front to back. And then back to front. Move the neck a little bit. Done. Let's wear the strap now. Let's wear the strap if you are wearing one. So let's keep one intention for the class today before we start, right? That we are going to give our best, and your best is always enough. Always remember that whatever 100% right now, you have it. You try to give it, give that to the practice. Do not think about that I have to finish it, I have to complete it. Just listen to the body and do it according to you. All right? That's our focus. That's the intention we are keeping. We will start in the plank pose. Come in the plank pose. Wonderful. Stay. The hands should be right under the shoulders. Walk forward with the legs. Do not drop the knees down and then walk back. Good. Walk forward and then walk back. Amazing. Walk forward and then walk back. We just do this. Simple movements. Walk forward, engage the core, and then walk back. We are nice, strong, powerful people. Walk forward, walk back. Walk forward, walk back. Keep the knees very close to the ground. Walk forward, walk back. Do not go into Parvatasana. Do not go into downward facing dog. Continue. We have more rounds right now. Let's do 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, look forward, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Can you hold? Yes, we hold. We hold right here. You turn to the left side. Try to bring your hip close to the ground. Come back to the center. And then to the other side. Simple. Come back to the center. Then to the other side. Come back to the center. Then to the other side. We do not stop. Come back to the center. Continue. We do for 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, amazing. Keep a nice smile on the face. Last 1. Be back in the center, everyone. Do not drop right now. Come on, knees out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in for 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, come on, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, yes, we can do it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, hold, hold for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2, and for 1. Drop the knees down on the ground. Take the child's pose. Balasana. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. One more. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Alright, let's come standing on the mat. Standing on the mat. Now you can keep a block in your hands if you feel like, or I will keep 2 kgs weight in my hand just to feel that extra push. See what we are doing. Right leg goes back, drop the knee, Turn and twist the spine. Come back to the center. Once again, right leg goes back. Turn and twist on the other side. Come back to the center. Let's start. Alright, with the right leg only. Go back. Turn and twist the spine. Come back to the center. Right leg goes back. Turn and twist the spine. Come back to the center. Continue. Turn and twist the spine. Come back to the center. Turn and twist the spine. Come back to the center. We have 8. We have 7. We have 6. We have 5. 4. 3. Whoops. 2. Last one, we have to hold. Turn and twist and hold. Go out and in. Go out and in. Out and in. We do it for 11. 10. 9. Feel the shivering. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Come on, 2. 1. All the way up and do the forward fold. Relax. A nice deep breath in and deep breath out. Other side. Let's move on the left leg. Go back, turn and twist, and then come forward again. Go back, turn and twist, come forward again. Go back, turn and twist, come forward again. Continue. We have 8. Balance. 7. 6. 5. 4. Last 3. Last 2. And the last one, we hold. Hold. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, yes, 6, 5, 4, just 3, 2, 1. Stand up straight. Do the forward folding. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Straight move into the cat and cow position, tabletop position, everyone. Hold here. Right leg goes back. Stay there. Breathe. Inhale, take the right leg up. Exhale, drop the right leg down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Up. Down. We have 10. Down. 9. Down. 8. Good. 7. Nice. Feel it on the glute. 6. Very good. 5. 4. Keep breathing, everyone. 3. 2. Last one. Lift it high. Bend the knee. Touch the knee to the right elbow. And then out. Again. Touch the knee to the right elbow. And then out again. Continue. We have 8. 7. 6, 5, nice and slow, 4, do not bend the elbows, 3, last 2, and the last 1. Hold it tight, everyone. Come on, I know it is burning. Hold the leg up, left hand all the way up, balance. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Tap on the ground. Inhale, lift up again. Last time. Tap on the ground. Inhale, lift up again. We have to do it for 8, 7, 6, 5. Breathe out through the mouth. 4. Last 3, 2, and the last 1. And drop. Relax. Take the child's pose. I will take the child's pose. Exhale through the mouth, everyone. Breathe out through the mouth. I am sweating. Chalo. Let's move on. Let's move on to the other leg. Come on. Right under the hands. Shoulders are very nice. Left leg out. Come on. This is the last time you are doing. Up and down. Remember. 100%. Down. Up. Down. Feel the burn. Feel the pain. Try to coordinate your breathing. Inhale up. Exhale out through the mouth if you feel like. If you feel heavy, out through the mouth. Like this. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good. 4. Feel the shivering. 3. My hips are shivering. 2. Last 1. Hold it tight. Bend the elbow and touch the elbow to the knee. The knee to the elbow. The knee to the elbow. Continue. 8. Come on. 7. Very nice. 6. I am dripping in sweat. 5. Do not go back. Stay on the hands. 4. 3. Last 2. Last 1. Hold the leg, everyone. Come on, hold it. Right hand up. Hold for 10. Balance. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap on the floor and then up. Last 8, 7, 6. Come on. 5. No stopping right now. 4, 3, 2. Last 1. And nice and easy. Relax. Sit in Vajrasana. Stretch the thighs. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale again. Exhale out. All right, coming on the mat now. See what we are doing. Simple practice first. Keeping the exercises nice and easy. Lay down on the mat. Now, bend the knees. Keep your block or whatever you are using in your hands. Like I'm using these 2 kgs dumbbells. So whatever you have. Lift the dumbbells up. So try to lift the shoulders up. Engage through the core. Press the lower back on the ground. Lift. Grab the dumbbells. Extend. And then once again, place the dumbbells right on the thighs, on the knees. And then relax. Inhale up. Open. Drop. Relax. Up. Open. Relax. We have 6. 5. We are just about to finish with the practice. Try to keep your energy high. 4. 3. 2. And the last one. Very nice. Keep the dumbbell or the block to the side of you. Very nice. Reach forward, everyone. Reach forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Continue. Keep the pressure high on the abdomen, on the core. Do not let the neck touch the ground. Let's try. Come on. We have 10, 9, 8, 7. Do not grab the knees. 6 like this. 5, 4, 3. Last 2. Last 1. Hold it. Hold it. Hand go up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the knees to the chest. Drop the neck down. Take a deep breath in. And deep breath out. Shavasana. Take a nice deep breath in, belly out, belly in, exhale. Keep breathing through the belly, everyone. Inhale, exhale. Sure, let's everyone do the figure 4 stretch. Take the right leg over the left thigh and then pull the knees towards you. Do it on the other side. Take a nice twist with both the legs to the left. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice twist with both the legs to the right. And slowly come back to the center. All right, lift up the body. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out. Do the side bending on the right. Do the side bending on the left. Come back to the center. Shitali Pranayam, 5 rounds everyone. Roll the tongue out. Breathe through the mouth. Exhale through the nose. Tongue in, exhale through the nose. Second round, inhale. Third round. Fourth round. Last round. Gentle smile on the face. Everyone, let's do the Anulom Vilom for 1 minute, 2 minutes. First 2 fingers down. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale right. Try to breathe deeper and slow. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale right. Continue. Exhale through the right, through the left, everyone. Relax. Let's chant one Om Ucharan. Inhale deeply. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Fold forward, touch the forehead to the ground. Feeling blessed and grateful for the body, for the mind, for the life we have, for all the things, material, non-material. And slowly rubbing the palms all over the body. And done. I hope that you warmed up pretty well with all the practice, the warm-up, and then after that the cool down was also really relaxing for you. Always remember that whenever you do your practice, you have to relax down, because else the body will just drain up, is already drained out of energy with the practice, and then it will stay drained out throughout the day, and then you will feel lazy throughout the day, and then you will say that yoga made me lazy, right? Our yoga practice made you lazy. No, that's not it. So we have to bring back that energy through shavasana, through breathing, and then see, I can just do the practice once again now, right? So this is it. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, or any suggestion, anything else. I look forward to reading your comments. You all are very kind and sweet people, and you message very sweetly, very kindly. So thank you. I am grateful to all of you. Hari Om. Have a beautiful day ahead.